Good afternoon, this is Kelly and you are watching Chalta TV. Kashmir Solidarity Day was being observed across the world today. Pakistan High Commission London also held Kashmir Solidarity Day, photo exhibition and seminar. The High Commissioner, along with Imran Hussain MP, chair of all-party parliamentary group on Jammu and Kashmir at the British Parliament, Raja Najabat Hussain, chairman of Jammu Kashmir Self-Determination Movement International, and large number of Kashmiri and Pakistani diaspora in UK were attended. Imran Hussain MP said that Kashmiris in UK remember the decades of oppression, injustice, and persecution of innocent Kashmiris. He called upon the international community to uphold the inalienable right of Kashmiris to self-determination.
That the Kashmiris have been subjected to. We call out the black laws such as the Public Safety Act, the Indian Armed Forces Special Powers Act, both of which are some of the most draconian and illegal legislations used as tools for the continued persecution, oppression, and injustice against Kashmiris.
The High Commissioner said that every Pakistani supported the struggle of Kashmiri people for the legitimate right to self-determination. History would be unforgiving to those who remain silent in the face of naked aggression and tyranny of the occupying forces in IOJK, emphasized Dr. Faisal.
Stands for their right to self-determination and their right to have the right to choose whether they want to side with India or Pakistan as per the UN Security Council resolution, which were promised to them by the international community. So Pakistan's support is steadfast and it will not waver and it will not change. Our modern diplomatic political support continues for our Kashmiri brothers and sisters.
Earlier, the High Commissioner, along with prominent Kashmiri leaders based in UK, a large number of Pakistani diaspora and media, visited the photo exhibition arranged by Pakistan High Commission, London. The photo exhibition portrayed pictorial representation of the atrocities being inflicted upon the innocent people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.